What's the next problem? A box is made up of iron and it has a volume of 125 centimeter cube. Find its mass if the density of iron is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. The gram per centimeter cube is the CGS unit. Kilogram per meter cube is SI unit. Gram per centimeter cube is CGS unit. Here the density is equal to mass by volume. Here the question is find the mass of the density. So mass is equal to volume into density. Here what is the volume? 125 centimeter cube. What is the density? 7.8. The answer is 975 gram. Gram is the unit of mass. Kilogram is also the unit of mass, that is the SI unit. What is the next problem? A sphere is made from copper whose mass is 3000 kilogram. M is equal to 3000 kilogram. Then if the density of copper is 8900, D is equal to 8900. Then find the volume of the sphere. Find the volume of the sphere. What is the formula of volume? Volume is equal to mass by density. Here mass is 3000 divided by density is 8900, 0000, 30 by 89, which is 0.34 meter cube. 0.34 meter cube. See the box. Do you know what is the box? Water has more density than oils like cooking oil and castor oil. Although this oil appeared to be denser than water. இப்போ ஆயிலும் வாட்டரையும் பார்த்தோன்னா எது நமக்கு திக்காக இருக்கிற மாதிரி டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுது? ஆயிலுக்கு டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுது. ஆனால் எதுக்கு தான் டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்குது? வாட்டருக்கு தான் டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்குது. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்துருக்கோம். டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்கிறது வாட்டரில் என்னவாயிரும்? சிங்க் ஆயிரும், மூழ்கிரும். டென்சிட்டி கம்மியாக இருக்கிறது மேலே என்னவாகும்? ஃப்ளோட் ஆகும். இப்போ ஒரு பீக்கரில் வாட்டரு ஒரு ட்ராப் ஆயில் எடுத்து அந்த வாட்டர் மேலே விட்டால் என்னவாகும்? ஆயில் மேலே ஃப்ளோட் ஆகும். பார்த்துருக்கோமா? தண்ணி மேலே ஆயில் விட்டால் என்னவாகும்? தண்ணிக்கு மேலே அந்த ஆயில் இருக்குது மிதக்கும், ஃப்ளோட் ஆகும். அப்போது டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருந்தால் என்னவாயிருக்கணும்? சிங்க் ஆகிருந்துருக்கணும். இதே இது ஒரு பீக்கர் ஃபுல்லாக ஆயில் வச்சுட்டு ஒரே ஒரு ட்ராப் வாட்டர் அதில் விட்டால் என்னவாயிரும்? சிங்க் ஆயிரும். வாட்டர் மட்டும் தனியாக என்னவாகாது? மேலே மிதக்காது. ஓகேவா? அப்போது எதுக்கு தான் டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்குது? ஆயிலை விட வாட்டருக்கு தான் டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்குது. டென்சிட்டி ஆஃப் castor oil is 961 kilogram per meter cube. If you put one drop of water in oil, water drop sinks. But if we put one drop of oil in water, oil floats and forms a layer of water surface. However, some oils are denser than water. ஒரு சில ஆயில்ஸ் வந்து வாட்டரை விட அதிகமான டென்சிட்டி இருக்கலாம். மேக்ஸிமம் ஆயிலை விட வாட்டருக்கு தான் என்ன இருக்குது? டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் the next topic is measuring larger distance. Measuring larger distance. Normally we use centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, meter for measuring distance. Here measuring the larger distance. The kilometer, meter, centimeter is not capable for measuring the larger distance. We use two special unit for measuring larger distance. Normally we use centimeter, meter, kilometer to express the distance that we measure in our day-to-day life. But for some space research, astronomers need to measure very long distance, such as distance between the earth and the sun, or distance between the two stars. To express this distance, we shall learn about two such units, namely astronomical units and light year. What's the first one? Astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Second one, light year. What is astronomical unit? The average distance between the sun and earth is called astronomical unit. What is astronomical unit? The average distance between the sun and the earth is called astronomical unit. The earth revolves around the sun in the elliptical path. Here this is the sun. The earth revolves around in the elliptical path. Earth and earth. Here the shortest distance between the sun and the earth is called perihelion. The shortest distance between the sun and earth is called perihelion. The largest distance between the sun and earth is called aphelion. The perihelion distance is 147.1 million and the aphelion is 152.1 million kilometer. The earth revolves around the sun in the elliptical path. The average distance between the sun and the earth is called astronomical unit. The shortest distance between the sun and the earth is, yes, perihelion. The largest distance between the sun and the earth is called aphelion. Here we all know that the earth revolves around the sun in the elliptical orbit, hence the distance between the sun and earth varies every day. When the earth is in a perihelion position, the distance between the earth and sun is 147.1 million kilometer. The earth is at the aphelion position, the distance is 152.1 million kilometer. The average distance between the earth and the sun is about 149.6 million kilometer. The average distance is taken as 1 astronomical unit. Neptune is 30 AU. AU means astronomical unit. Away from the sun, it means it is 30 times further than the earth. 1 astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. 1 AU is equal to 1 astronomical unit is equal to 149.6 million kilometer. That also can be written as 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. What is astronomical unit. The average distance between the sun and earth is called astronomical unit. What is perihelion? The shortest distance between the sun and earth is called perihelion. The longer distance between the sun and earth is called aphelion. The average distance is 149.6 million kilometer. That is one astronomical unit. Today we have discussed about what is density and unit of density and formula, and measuring larger distance we discussed only the astronomical unit. In next class we can see the what is light year, okay, and then we discussed about the question answers. Today your homework is read up to the lesson measuring the larger distance in astronomical unit. Okay, we will meet on next class. Thank you. Bye.